All right, just finished my workout at the Springville Rec Center. So let's take a look at the stats from TicWatch and then also Garmin. So here's the TicWatch Pro. This is the TicWatch Pro 2020. And then we also have the Oura Ring. I don't know if this is the 2020 or 2019 version. And then also the Garmin VIVOACTIve 4 Darth Vader edition. So let's take a look at the stats. So we'll go with Garmin first. So while you're working out, the screen is locked because you're swimming. So I'll stop the workout and it shows that I went 625 yards, which is spot on. I did walk one length to get my phone, so really 600 yards, and it gives the overall time and time per yard, which is really slow. So there we go, activity saved. So there's my heart rate summary. So it still took my heart rate in the water, swim time, pace. Okay, I definitely could use faster pace there, but hey, not too bad for a man in his 40s. And my stroke rate, strokes, and the S-Wolf score. So pretty awesome. Now we'll look at see what and we're at not a lot of steps. You don't get a lot of steps while you're swimming apparently. And the problem with the TicWatch Pro is that there's no workout, so I had to put it on paddleboarding. But it did record my time, my miles, my heart rate, and calories, and it gave me 13 heart rate points. And workout. So really disappointed that the TicWatch Pro does not have swimming, calories, and distance. So there's two interfaces on this watch. If you go to the apps, you can go to Tic Health, which is all the way at the bottom. There we go, Tic Exercise, I mean. And there's freestyle, indoor cycling, indoor run, outdoor walk, outdoor run. That's it. There's no swimming. So now if we go back to the app and we go to Fit Workout, which is straight through the Wear OS, you have all these workouts, but none of them are swimming. So they have paddleboarding of all workouts, which is great. I do like paddleboarding. They have Australian football, but they don't have swimming. So I don't know what is up with Google. They have indoor skating, but no swimming. Interval training, jogging, jumping rope, kayaking, kettlebell, all these different workouts, but no swimming. And they do have a way to lock the screen, so it should work. And I read my heart rate while I was swimming. It just doesn't make sense whatsoever. Really disappointed. So now we'll take a look at the stats on the phone. So this is the Oura Ring app. There's no interface for the ring, so I have to synchronize the device. And once in a while it does lag on the synchronization. So it worked out great. I was able to come swim when my kiddo had swim lessons, so that was nice. I haven't swam in a long time, and that's why my S-Wolf was so low in my lap. So we'll try to resync here. Give you a view of the pool. Let's see what it says after a half an hour of swimming. So burned a little more calories, not a lot, and the step count went up to 1,750. So it gave me some steps. Gave me a little bit of calories, not as much as I thought because I was swimming. So readiness still 84. Huh. So what we can do is we can add a workout. So we'll add swimming. Start time, well, oh wow, it actually kind of, I'm going to say my intensity was hard because I was out of shape. And done. So there we go, 319 calories. So now if we go to activity, there we go. So it kind of knew when I was working out, so that was impressive. And now if we go to Garmin, Garmin synchronizes a lot faster than the Oura Ring. But then again, this is a smartwatch and this is a smart ring. There we go, and there's the detailed workout. So we have the strokes per minute, 24, average stroke length, nice, 10.9, pace, average speed, all right, I have some room for improvement, average heart rate, and it has my intervals, so very nice. And pace and strokes, there's the S-Wolf detail, heart rate, and time and zones, really detailed. Whereas if we go to Movoy, because they didn't have a swimming workout, well, actually it's not going to be under here, it's going to be under Google Fit app. And there's the paddleboard workout. Shows that I'm in the Clyde Rec Center. And, well, you know, a little bit of detail, better than nothing. At least it did do heart rate, so it shows me working out. So there you go. 3 different devices. The Oura Ring swimming. At least it tracks calories and heart rate. Garmin, definitely the winner. And in last place, the TicWatch Pro, because it does not have swim workout. Well, that's all I have for now. Hope you enjoyed this detailed review of swimming with 3 different gadgets. If you have questions about the TicWatch Pro, let me know. I'm going to be selling it in just a few days, if not tomorrow. But I'm going to be holding on to the Garmin and swimming with it again. And I have the Oura Ring for another week. That's all. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll do more videos on swimming with the Garmin and probably the Samsung soon. And that's it. Goodbye.